may isang bagay na masasabi nating isa na sa pangkaraniwang nangyayari sa ating buhay na di natin gusto, malamang ito na ay ang stress. Kahit na nakakasama sa atin ang stress, hindi natin ito maaaring iwasan, lalong-lalo na kapag tayo nagtatrabaho. Ganito ang sitwasyon ni Mr. Tony De Leon. Bukod sa pagiging engineer, siya rin ay nasa sales, kung saan marami siyang pinag-aabalahan.
As a country sales manager for around 5 years, then I was promoted as country manager to lead the whole company in the whole Philippines. I have 4 salespeople and also 1 office manager, and I manage these people plus 2 distributors. Being the CM there are a lot of stress and hindrances because you represent the county, so you have to represent the whole county in terms of performance and figures. So I have a quota every year. I need to meet the quota or budget in Singapore dollars every year. So I frequently travel also in Southeast Asia, and once in a year I go to Germany. This is a bit stressful. As you know, traffic is really at the worst condition now. Just from my house to airport, stress ka na eh.
Ngunit kahit nandyan ang stress sa trabaho, wala naman siyang pangamba sa kanyang kalusugan.
I am a person who is fan of taking food supplements, and Circulan is one. Because nakita ko siya magaling in terms of, say, sa blood circulation, and also last time I had parang sumumpong yung vertigo ko. So I took ginkgo biloba alone. I feel uneasy when I took that medicine. I feel aggressive, yung agility ko and sabi nga nila parang nakakabata. So most of my colleagues, I'm not joking, when I say my age, they don't believe that. They tell me that I'm only 40 plus. So I think that is the secret of Circulan. I can blend well with my family, and I can do the physical activities that I want to do. So that is the full benefits that I can get from Circulan.
Ang kanyang iniinom na Circulan ay may garlic, ginkgo biloba, cottonberry at lemon balm, mga ingredients na tumutulong palakasin ang kanyang katawan laban sa oras ng stress.
Circulan is a good food supplement. It is proven to myself, and also maybe for all of you, it can help a lot in terms of blood circulation.
This portion was brought to you by Circulan. Nasa dugo lang yan.